Yeah, man. So, see me, I go down the Wallaba Road. I just pass the cemetery, number 5. I want to say over Thai spell. Not even people you see over there, gentlemen. The place locked down. Yeah, man. So, Thai spell now known as Thai's Meadow. Right? I hate that. So, me I drive on the Wallaba Road. I go home and no car now pass me. I want to take a look. Right? I realize what I say. Just a little toddler, I say, I suck him finger go through. But look on the road, gentlemen. No, in Spanish, in a Spanish town. I go down on the Wallaba Road, just park the big canal. See the sign there? I show you where to go. Come round, man. Yeah. So the whole place, I saw it stay. The place empty. Empty. I reach a roundabout now. Yeah, what's a roundabout? A Paris funeral home. Truck just pass, probably then gone for your body. That they lead you to the highway. Right? So I go down the Wallaba Road, gentlemen. And you know, you see, as I'm saying to you, I'm alone I drive. Look ahead of me. 1 and 2 cars to pass. The place under perfect order. One order, as them said. It look like everybody fearing a pro God except me, the militant, the foreigner. We don't care. Right? But I say, me a bad boy if he send him troops them for me, but if him troops then come, you know, we can't really have a sit-down reason to make them say. So the people have to be told. Look how the Wallaba Road, I famous homestead, I reach now. Yeah. All bad boy, all shatter, half a road. Only man like me can step on the road. So homestead school they wanna pass people. Yeah, man. And when you come up to the sign, welcome to Homestead Primary. I hate that. Right? Yeah, man. So we wanna see. Say Jamaica, I run on the order, broken of the place locked down. So until we're going to link again, cause you see, me reach my little entrance, you know. Yeah, you see it. So Magdalene, and there's some reach, some more time.